Students, now discuss about the lizard bird. What about the lizard bird? Lizard bird is also called ancient bird, lizard bird, Jurassic fossil bird. Okay, scientific name is Archaeopteryx lithographica. Archaeopteryx lithographica. It is found in Bavaria in Germany. Okay, fossilized remains of this animal found in Bavaria in Germany. Okay, Archaeopteryx, the lizard bird is Archaeopteryx lithographica. It is also called ancient bird, lizard bird, Jurassic fossil bird. If you observe this one, it shows two types of the characters. It shows birds characters, some amount of the birds characters, and also reptiles characters. So it is considered as connecting link between the birds and the reptiles. The lizard bird, Archaeopteryx lithographica, ancient bird, lizard bird, Jurassic, also called Jurassic fossil bird. Next, it possesses some reptilian and avian characters. It is called as connecting link between reptiles and birds. Now, what about the ratite birds, Paleognathae? Ratite birds are Paleognathae, that means these are non-flying birds. Okay, wings are completely reduced in these birds. These are modern flightless running birds. Ratite, Paleognathae, modern flightless running birds. Next, these are also shows discontinuous in their distribution, like lungfishes and marsupials. If you observe marsupials, these are only available in Australia continent. Next, lungfishes, these are available in some regions in the world. These are freshwater fishes, lungfishes, dipnoi fishes. So it is called discontinuous in their distribution, available some regions only, discontinuous in their distribution. Next, what are the characters that are shown by modern flightless running birds? These are presence of reduced wings, raft-like sternum without keel, and male with penis. Wings are completely reduced and sternum is raft-like, sternum without keel or carina, flattened substance, that is called keel or carina, does not shows by sternum. Sternum is the breastbone. It is the sternum without keel or carina. Next, males with penis. Males shows penis. Okay, student. Modern flying birds does not shows the penis, but flightless running birds shows the penis. Males possess penis. Next, do not possess syrinx. Syrinx is the sound producing organ in the birds that is present between the trachea and the bronchi. This is also absent in the birds. Clavicle. Clavicle is the collarbone that connects the wing to the rest of the body. It is the elongated collarbone that connects the forelimb to the rest of the body. Clavicles. Clavicles also does not possess by these birds. Preen gland is also absent. Preen gland, it is also called oil gland, uropygeal gland, which secretes preen oil, which helps in cleaning of the feathers present at the tail part. Do not possess syrinx, clavicles, preen gland. Next, examples are Struthiocamelus, normal name African ostrich. Kiwi, it is the national bird of the New Zealand. Rhea, American ostrich. Struthiocamelus, African ostrich. Rhea, American ostrich. Dromeus emu, Cassowarius, cassowary. Okay, student. It is about the Paleognathae or Ratidae birds. Students, now about class Mammalia. Class Mammalia includes with homeothermic amniotes. Homeothermic, that means maintain constant body temperature. Endoderms. Amniotes having 4 extra embryonic membranes. Homeothermic amniotes. Which one is the smallest one? Cettis agnosur bat, bumblebee bat. It is the smallest mammal. Smallest one is Cettis agnosur bat or bumblebee bat. Next, largest mammal. It is also largest animal in the animal kingdom. Balanoptera musculus. Balanoptera musculus. It is the largest mammal and largest animal in the animal kingdom. Next, study about the mammals is called mammalogy. Next, these are the mammals gives rise, earliest mammals gives rise from the theropsid reptiles. Student, theropsid reptiles, it is important. Theropsid reptiles in Triassic period. Okay. Next, another age of the mammal, that one is Cenozoic era. Age of the mammal is Cenozoic era. Next, now extant mammals grouped into 3 types. Mammals are grouped into 3 types. First one is monotremes, second one is marsupials, third one is eutherians. Monotremes are egg-laying mammals. These are lays eggs like birds and reptiles. This is the reptilian and birds character present in the mammals. Monotremes, egg-laying mammals. Marsupials having pouch at the region of abdomen. Marsupials, pouched mammals also called. And eutherians are true placentals. Eutherians have true placentals. That means having placenta. That is the connecting link between the developed embryo and the mother, which is helps in transport of nutrients and exchange of the materials between the developed fetus and the mother's tissue. Eutherians are true placentals. Next, general characters of the mammals. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk, tail, 4 parts. Its body is covered by hair. It is the main feature, unique feature of the mammals. But any one of the stage of the development of animal shows body is covered with the hair. Body covered by hair, and hair is reduced in whales and armadillos. Hair reduced in whales, armadillos. Next, student, skin is with glandular. Skin is with glandular. Different types of the glands present in the skin. Sweat glands secrete sweat. These are sudoriferous glands, also called sudoriferous glands. Scent glands also present. Sebaceous glands, which secretes oily substance. Sebaceous glands also present. Next, mammary glands. It is the main feature of the mammals. By the presence of the mammary glands, hence the name Mammalia, class Mammalia. Mammary glands. These are the modified sweat glands. Mammary glands are modified sweat glands. Next, what about the skull? Skull is a dicondylic, 2 condyle present at the posterior part of the skull, hence dicondylic skull. Fishes shows monocondylic skull. Next, dentary. What about the dentary? Dentary is the bone. Which one of the bone called dentary? Half of the lower jaw consists single bone. Half of the lower jaw consists single bone, that is called dentary. Next, cervical vertebrae are 7 in number. Cervical vertebrae are present at the back part of the neck, and these are the first few vertebrates in the vertebral column. Cervical vertebrae are 7 in number, and these are 6 in Chelopus or two-toed sloth. Chelopus, two-toed sloth. 6 in Chelopus, two-toed sloth. And Trichicus also having 6 cervical vertebrae. Trichicus also called Manatee. Next, 9 in Bradypus. These are cervical vertebrae are 9 in Bradypus. Bradypus is the three-toed sloth. Next, student, sacral vertebrae are 2 to 5 in number. Sacral vertebrae are locates below the lumbar vertebrae. Sacral vertebrae are 2 to 5 in number, and vertebrae are amphiplatean. Amphiplatean means both the faces of the centrum flattened. Anterior face, posterior face of the centrum part of vertebra shows flattened surface. Vertebrae are amphiplatean. Ribs are double-headed, student. Already you know about the ribs. Ribs are the elongated, flattened bones present at the thoracic region. These are dorsally connected to the backbone and ventrally connected to the breastbone or sternum. Ribs are double-headed. That means, student, ribs are dorsally attaches to the backbone or the vertebral column. At that part, attaching region, articular surface, articular part of the bone having two head-like structures, two cephalic regions. Student, it is the one of the head, it is the another one of the head. These are the articular part, attaching part with the backbone, having two head-like structures. So, ribs are double-headed. Next, secondary palate between upper nasal cavity, lower buccal cavity. Okay, student, mouth opens into the oral cavity, buccal cavity. Above the buccal cavity, there is a cavity that is nasal cavity. Upper nasal cavity, lower buccal cavity is separated by a secondary palate, hard substance that is called secondary palate. Okay, student, behind to the secondary palate, there is a soft palate. Next, teeth. What about the teeth? Teeth are thecodont. Teeth are fixed in the sockets of the jawbone. Thecodont. Thecodont dentition also available in crocodiles. Heterodont. Teeth are 4 types: incisor, canines, premolars, molars. 4 types. Heterodont, hence heterodont. Diphyodont. Teeth are formed in 2 times in the life. Diphyodont. Okay. Teeth are thecodont, heterodont, diphyodont. Salivary glands which are associated with the buccal cavity, oral cavity. Salivary glands are 4 pairs, but man have 3 pairs of the salivary glands. Respiration is by lungs. Glottis is protected by epiglottis. Glottis is protected by epiglottis. Epiglottis is the cartilaginous structure, okay, which protects the glottis. Glottis protected by epiglottis. Which one is the sound producing organ? That is the larynx. Larynx is sound producing organ. Heart is 4-chambered. Like birds. oxygenated, deoxygenated blood is completely separated in time of circulation. Okay, oxygenated, deoxygenated blood does not mixed in the circulation, completely separately circulated. Oxygenated, deoxygenated blood is separate. Okay, next left systemic arch is present. Left systemic arch is present. Right systemic arch is present in the birds, but in mammals left systemic arch is present. It is important. Next, renal portal system is absent, student. Renal portal system is absent, and red blood cells are biconcave. Okay, red blood cells are biconcave. Both the sides having concave. Circular, RBC are circular, and enucleated, nucleus is absent in the red blood cell. Students, class Mammalia, large brain. If you observe nervous system of these animals, brain is large when compared to the body size, and 4 optic lobes present in the brain. 4 optic lobes collectively called corpora quadrigemina. By the presence of the 4 optic lobes in the brain, and 4 optic lobes are called corpora quadrigemina. Next, corpus callosum, student. What about the corpus callosum? Cerebrum divides into right and the left cerebral hemispheres. Right and the left cerebral hemisphere connected with the transverse bundle of the myelinated fiber, that is called corpus callosum. 2 parts of the cerebrum connected by transverse bundle of myelinated fiber, that is called corpus callosum. Next, central nervous system, that means brain and the spinal cord, is covered by 3 protecting layers called meninges. 3 meninges, meninx layers, protecting layers. Outer dura mater, mater means that is the meninges or protecting layer. Outer one is dura mater, middle one is arachnoid mater, arachnoid meninges, and inner one is pia mater. Next, cranial nerves are 12 pairs, student. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Birds also having 12 pair cranial nerves. External ear, eyes with the eyelids, and also shows the eyelashes. Eyes or eyeballs are covered with movable eyelids with also eyelashes. External ear, that is appear like a large fleshy cartilaginous flap, that is called pinna. External ear also called pinna. It is fleshy and a cartilaginous flap. Next, middle ear, that consists of 3 ear ossicles. Middle ear that passes 3 smallest bones, 3 bones. These are malleus, incus, stapes. Stapes is the smallest bone in the body of man, human beings. Next, student, malleus, incus, stapes, 3 bones, 3 ossicles present in the middle ear. Next, internal ear is with cochlea. Internal ear, that is with cochlea, and cochlea of the internal ear spirally coiled. Cochlea is spirally coiled, present in the inner ear, internal ear, and also bears organ of Corti. Organ of Corti, it is acting as a receptor of sound. Organ of Corti is a receptor of sound. Next, kidneys are metanephric kidneys. Okay, bean shaped structures. Next, these are with structural and functional units called nephrons. Nephrons shows loop of Henle. This is the loop of Henle is helps in the formation of the concentrated urine. Mammals are ureotelic animals. Reptiles, uricotelic animals. Birds, uricotelic animals. Okay, students. Next, amphibians, ureotelic animals. Mammals also ureotelic animals. Excretes urea, nitrogenous waste excrete in form of the urea. Next, sexually these are separate. Sexual dimorphism is also appeared in these animals, well marked in these animals. Next, testes, these are the male reproductive organs. Testes found in the scrotal sacs, locates outside of the abdomen, and these are the testes also present in the inner part of the abdomen, inside of the abdomen, that is called intra-abdominal testis. Intra-abdominal testis. Actually, most of the animals, these are the testes found in scrotal sacs. These are the scrotal sacs outside of the abdomen, locates outside of the abdomen. Some animals having shows intra-abdominal testis. Testis present inside the abdomen. Intra-abdominal testis found in monotremes. Monotremes are the group of mammals. These are egg-laying mammals, monotremes. Cetaceans. Which are the cetaceans? Cetaceans includes with whales and dolphins. Whales, dolphins are cetaceans. Next, sea cows, elephants. In these animals, intra-abdominal testes are present. Testis locates inside of the abdomen. Males have the copulatory organ, that is penis. Okay. Next, fertilization is internal inside the body. Monotremes are viviparous, students. Monotremes are oviparous, not viviparous. Monotremes are oviparous. Next, intrauterine development. Intrauterine development. Development takes place in the inside of uterine wall, uterus. Development of the embryo takes place inside the uterus. Intrauterine development. Embryo developed in the inner part of the uterus. Intrauterine development. Student, monotremes are oviparous, not viviparous. Next, developing embryo attached to uterine wall by the uterine wall of the mother by the placenta. What about the placenta? Placenta is the connective link between the developing embryo and the uterine wall of the mother, which is helps in supplying of the nutrients and the respiration. Placenta, it is the connecting link between the developing embryo and the uterine wall of the mother, uterus wall of the mother, uterine wall of the mother. This is the placenta, supplies the nutrients and oxygen and helps in removal of the wastages from the developing embryo. Okay, student, it is about the placenta. Next, which are the examples for class Mammalia? Ornithorhynchus, duck-billed platypus. Ornithorhynchus, duck-billed platypus. Macropus, kangaroo. Macropus, kangaroo. Pteropus, flying fox. Pteropus, flying fox. Next, Camelus, camel. Macaca, monkey. Ratus, rat. Canis, dog. Felis, cat. Elephas, elephant. Equus, horse. Delphinus, dolphin. Panthera tigris, tiger. Panthera leo, lion. These are the examples.